guys, Roy here from RWolf12 and EpicDroid.com with a super quick video. I'm going to try and keep this under 1 minute. Fingers crossed I'll actually be able to make it. Probably won't, but you know it's worth a shot. Today we're going to be looking at the JSAUX Slim Foldable Phone Stand. The JSAUX Slim Foldable Phone Stand is a mouthful, and it's one that I've had here for about a year. It is a phone stand, and no, I don't do a lot of videos on phone stands because they're one of those things that don't really do well on any channel. A phone stand is a phone stand. You have it, you don't. You love it or you don't. And it just so happens that this is one that I have and that I love. I paid $15 for it, but it is currently on sale on Amazon for $7. It comes in a gray, a black, and a pink version. The pink and the black are on sale and go for $11 or $12. This one here, the gray one, is available for $7 or for $11 for a 2-pack. It is super slim and lightweight. It's about 4 ounces total, just under 4 ounces, and it's about the thickness of 2 or 3 credit cards. It has a little hinge here, so you can go ahead and you can fold that in whatever angle you want it, so you can do your phone or your tablet, whatever you're using on it at different angles. It is a very stiff hinge, so you're able to use it with phones as well as other devices. It works great for consuming media in a portrait mode or in a landscape mode. I use it all the time for watching shows or reading books on my device. And now, as I mentioned, it does work with tablets as well. I do have here my giant Pixel Slate. The Pixel Slate is a rather large tablet. It is heavy, but if you get the thing at the right angle, it will hold it without any problems. Now again, you do want to make sure you have it at that right angle, because if you get it at a wrong angle, the slope is a bit too high, it's going to start collapsing on you, and it'll do it really slowly, but eventually it's just going to fall down like so. So all in all, great little gadget. Definitely recommend it. If you guys have any questions about the stand or any of the other products you've seen in this video, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below, and we'll reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.